na wala ka pasundan. This is for the safety of our children. Of course, kamo, mga parents na musulod, and of course, the teaching and non-teaching personnel sa atong eskwelahan. So, okay na mga kagalaan? Okay, thank you. Balik ako niya, this is Malia Adendo.
Thank you, Mr. Garida and Mrs. Delia. Your message has truly reminded us of the importance of preparedness, vigilance, and unity in the face of challenges brought by the natural and man-made hazards. The knowledge and guidance you have shared today will surely help us strengthen our collective efforts toward building a safer and more resilient community. Okay, so now let's move on to the next part. Education is not only about academics. It is also about preparing our learners to become responsible, respectful, and well-informed individuals who can make sound decisions in life. One of the most important aspects of this holistic information is comprehensive sexuality education, which empowers the youth with knowledge, values, and skills that promote respect, responsibility, and overall well-being.